Do you like it?
She's like. She's like.
Open up. Well, she doesn't hate it.
She likes it. It looks kind of more like applesauce to me.
Ready?
She's like, ow.
She wants to do it herself.
She has messy fingers and messy face.
I think she likes it.
Me too, because she's not spitting up.
Want some more?
She likes it. She's like a liking baby.
You like it?
Hey, can you say this? I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I think that's what Madeline wants. I think she likes that. I think she's trying to say, I like it. I love it. I want some more of it. I think she's trying to say that. Aren't you?
Ready?